Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am grilling pork ribs using the oven. I washed and cut the pork ribs into manageable pieces. In the meantime, I am preheating my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. My ingredients are salt, magic jikoni, which is found in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania and works magic with any meat in the kitchen. I also have coriander leaves powder, mixed herbs, meat tenderizer, cayenne pepper, ginger powder, apple cider vinegar, Berbeck sauce and soy sauce. I mixed all my ingredients in a bowl to make my marinade. Remember, you can use any spice within reach and according to your preference. Added some vinegar, which enhances the flavor infusion of meat, allowing the ingredients to penetrate more effectively. I also added soy sauce, which serves as a savory marinade that enhances the taste and tenderizes the meat, allowing the flavors to permeate deeply. I then marinated the pork ribs, thoroughly rubbing the marinade in for a better flavor infusion and an even distribution. I then placed the ribs on the grill and then in the oven. I cooked it for 60 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I turned the ribs after 30 minutes to make sure they cook evenly. When the ribs were all cooked, I applied the barbecue sauce evenly and cooked for about 5 minutes. I served the pork ribs with deep fried plantain. I will be releasing the plantain video next, so check it out.